Who is open a deputy governor, baby, and I'll plan them and Leia. Neither deputy governor, I bet to be in a line. I will room on the matter be an agara, snap deputy governor, baby, and I line. I want to become deputy governor. Call for a baby, even a line. On the matter. Now, if we have, if you don't remove my own job, I want to become here. You can have one anymore.
Mrs. Doris Ogala is not from this village.
Yes.
Though that she was born and brought up here. She's from Item. You understand? Old Bender. So she's not from here. So she can't use our village name to do any politics. So anything that she's doing mention this village is on its own, and we know that the campaign have not started. So anybody that is informing her or using her to ridicule our government, our village, or the government of Dr. Alessoti is on his head. On his own. Boom. With the Ishama Foruku community is not in support of that. What we know that come 2027, Alessoti is our no vacancy come 2027.
It is true that there is security report on this environment. There is a way to manage security issues. Sometimes security issues are not being discussed or not being discussed openly or not being debated openly. Do you understand?
Yes.
So sometimes it's to take actions. Whether we like it or not, the insecurity or the ungodly or the unlawful activity that was alleged that is going on here, whether we like it or not, it has been dismantled.
Confirmed.
By this singular action. And if there is any other place remaining that the governor or the government have to remedy, I am here assuring you that government of the day will remedy it.
Yes.
Then after we must have gone round now to check the place, I will take my report. If there are innocent persons that have been affected, trust me, it will be restored. And I don't want us to. I love my people. My people are very sound people. My people are people who sees the truth, who call spade a spade.
We love you.
This is too small for some shenanigans to score cheap political points. This is not yet time for cheap political points. I appreciate my people for this understanding. And there's also a rumor flying that deputy governor bought a property around and decided this place to be demolished. And that is a lie from the pit of hell. There also another rumor flying within the community that I expected some of these elderly ones would have pointed out. I heard it. That some persons want to connive with the government and take this place. This place is not a place that government have interest in.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Mind you, all lands belong to government.
Government.
But in case government interest.
Okay.
Or no go across gutter line. Government of the day. If any government of the day now, and go for evil. I can never know this kind of mega park in what they make. I give you government of the day. No lock up shops. Room about 300,000 acres.
Allow one person to speak. That's because also private property, a deputy governor of a state, because he bought a private property. Your Korea don't need Lagoro, Abarun and Yonu notice. So now, so it has nothing to do with here. Government never told you. How long have you sailed? Okay, how long could not go ever?
More than 10 years.
More than 10 years.
More than 30 years.
You want a shop ever? Go on. You come close to me. Let me hear you. Come now. If you know you have shop, I want you to come. Let me understand what is happening.
My shop, this yellow
See, this thing has to stop.
and I spent money recently innovate the shop. Now they come and remove the shop.
So it was not a government thing. It was because a deputy governor of this state acquired a property. Because of it, he doesn't want people to have shops, and he's out. Everyone acquire the property.
At the back of this.
At the back of this.
You
see the place now. We are many.
My husband is here. I'm just one.
You are a widow.
I'm a widow.
Oh Jesus. Oh God.
Not okay.
How many people go to the shop? How many?
We write names.
I think you don't stop, bro. If you know you they open up, we can I see you no be ever.
Okay.
Why don't let go to the shop for ever? Go fly. Stay in the back one. Why are you people doing this to my people? Hey. Let me tell you something. The power is in your hands. That is why I am coming out to liberate Abia State. My people are suffering. A deputy governor, because of zero property, they will demolish this place without pre-notice. This is why I said now we don't look at a man like this. I am disappointed. Oh yeah, this is the reason why I came out to liberate my people. This is what my party preach against. AAC stands for the oppressed. AAC stands for the common man. I am condemning this act by the deputy governor, and we demand an answer from him. Why should he demolish this place? See, enough is enough. It is time to change Abia State. I am coming out to liberate my state. And my people are suffering. Even on social media, that Abia is a safe haven. Why they are doing different things on ground. I've been here. Look at the people. My dear, go this way so that you can capture them. Many of them cannot go people local. Abia is not what you see on social media. People are suffering and smiling. Nobody can speak. Once you speak, they will demolish your place. Is it because I am coming out for governor that they will come and demolish a place near my house? This is unacceptable. I have the right to come out as a governor to liberate my people. Enough is enough. The deputy governor has no right to demolish this place without pre-notice and a reason for demolition. These people say they have been living here for the past 10 years. Look at this woman, she's a widow. Where will she be her children? Where will she? Look at. I got to work hotel. Ne bakwa. I na town Abia. Una ne pay to safe heaven. AAC is here to liberate you. Everybody go and get your PVC. Power is in your hands. We sent them there. And it's time to retire all those old people. Let a young person emerge as your governor. If you like, go and get your PVC. The power is in your hands. I'm very sorry that this thing happened. Madolo may affect. I will try and give each of you 200,000 to go and look for it. Thank you.